Hey everyone, today we are diving into the fountain of youth in our kitchens. Yes, you heard that right. We're whipping up some delicious magic with collagen boosting recipes that promise to add that radiant glow to your skin from the inside out. Why all the buzz about collagen, you ask? Collagen isn't just a trendy skincare ingredient. It's the powerhouse protein that holds our body together, giving our skin that plump, youthful look and keeping it as elastic as a rebounding trampoline. But here's a little wrinkle: as we age, our bodies produce less collagen, and that's where fine lines and saggy skin begin to creep in. Fear not, because nature has packed some pretty potent ingredients into simple foods that can amp up our body's collagen production. We're talking about a splash of vitamin C, a dash of antioxidant-rich berries, and some secret skin-loving boosters that we're going to share with you today. Stick around as we blend, mix, and mash our way to a glowing complexion with mouth-watering recipes that are as easy to make as they are effective. Ready to get that skin sparkling? Let's get started with some recipes and the many benefits of each one. Recipe 1: Tropical Mango and Coconut Gelatin. Ingredients: ripe mango, unsweetened coconut milk, honey, and grass-fed gelatin powder. Preparation: puree the mango and mix with warm coconut milk and honey. Sprinkle gelatin powder over the mixture and stir until dissolved. Chill until set. Benefits: mango, vitamin C, a powerhouse for collagen synthesis, vital for linking amino acids during collagen production. Vitamin A, encourages skin cell regeneration and collagen production. Folate, a form of vitamin B9 essential for cell function and tissue growth, contributing to overall skin health. Unsweetened coconut milk, vitamin C, though not as high as in citrus fruits, it still contributes to collagen production. Copper, a trace mineral that supports collagen maintenance and also acts as an antioxidant. Manganese, often overlooked, this mineral is also important for collagen production and wound healing. Honey. Antioxidants, while not directly linked to collagen production, antioxidants help to protect skin cells from damage which might otherwise impede collagen maintenance. Trace enzymes, honey has numerous enzymes and compounds that can support overall health, which indirectly may benefit the skin. Grass-fed gelatin. Collagen. Gelatin is derived from collagen itself and provides the amino acids proline and glycine, which are direct building blocks for new collagen in the body. Minerals. Depending on the source, it can contain various minerals beneficial for skin health. Each of these components brings something to the table when it comes to supporting your skin's health and promoting collagen production. Mango with its high vitamin C content, coconut milk providing necessary trace minerals, honey offering antioxidants, and gelatin providing direct collagen peptides ensure that this dessert is not only a treat for the taste buds but also for the skin. Including such a recipe in your diet can provide a delicious way to support your body's collagen production. Recipe 2: Sweet potato and carrot mash. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, carrots, a touch of ginger, and olive oil. Preparation: boil sweet potatoes and carrots until soft, then mash with ginger and olive oil until smooth. Benefits: sweet potatoes, vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for the repair and maintenance of skin tissue, and its deficiency can lead to a dry and flaky complexion. Vitamin C, also present in sweet potatoes. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of hyaluronic acid and collagen, which helps keep the skin firm and plump. Potassium, vital for cell hydration and skin moisture. Potassium helps in keeping the skin hydrated and plump, contributing to its elasticity and firmness. Carrots. Vitamin A. Carrots are another rich source of beta-carotene, contributing to the maintenance of skin health and promoting a strong skin barrier against environmental stressors. Vitamin C, important for collagen production, aiding in skin's healing process and resilience. Biotin, one of the B vitamins provided by carrots. Biotin plays a role in the health of skin, hair, and nails. Ginger. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. which can protect collagen breakdown and promote a healthy skin glow. Magnesium. Ginger contains magnesium, which can improve skin health indirectly by supporting general cellular processes. Olive oil. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in olive oil. Vitamin E supports skin health by fighting against oxidative stress, which can degrade collagen. Healthy fats. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil are important for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin A, and may help in keeping the skin flexible and moisturized. These nutrients work synergistically to support the structure and function of the skin, making this recipe not only nutritious but also beneficial for maintaining the skin's youthful appearance and supporting collagen production. Recipe 3: Salmon with herby cauliflower rice. Ingredients: wild-caught salmon fillets, cauliflower, fresh herbs, parsley, cilantro, garlic, and lemon juice. Preparation: bake salmon fillets with garlic and lemon juice. Pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice grains and sauté with herbs. Benefits: wild-caught salmon, omega-3 fatty acids. These are vital for maintaining the skin's oil barrier, which aids in hydration and might also influence the production of collagen. Vitamin D. Salmon is one of the few dietary sources of vitamin D, which plays a role in skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism. Zinc. This mineral is necessary for collagen synthesis and may also prevent collagen degradation. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant. Selenium in salmon protects the skin from UV-induced damage and supports overall skin health. Cauliflower, vitamin C, crucial for the synthesis of collagen. Cauliflower is a good plant source of this vitamin. Vitamin K, although not directly linked to collagen production, vitamin K supports the overall health of blood vessels and circulation, which is essential for vibrant skin. Fresh herbs. Vitamin C, again, these herbs add to the vitamin C content of the dish, further promoting collagen production. Vitamin K, important for skin healing and repair processes. Antioxidants. Herbs are high in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from damage. Garlic. Sulfur, known as the beauty mineral, sulfur is another key nutrient for collagen production. Selenium. Garlic provides this nutrient as well, adding to the selenium intake from salmon. Lemon juice. Vitamin C. Lemon juice not only adds zest and flavor but also a big hit of vitamin C, enhancing the collagen synthesis capability of the meal. Recipe 4: citrus berry salad. Ingredients: mixed berries, citrus fruits, almonds, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Preparation steps: combine the ingredients and top with a homemade citrus dressing. Benefits: mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Vitamin C. Berries are rich in vitamin C, essential for the biosynthesis of collagen, which helps to keep the skin firm by promoting the production of collagen fibers. Manganese, a component of an enzyme needed for collagen production, found notably in raspberries and blackberries. Antioxidants. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, which protect the skin from oxidative stress that can lead to a breakdown in collagen. Citrus fruits, like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits are famously high in vitamin C, which is not only pivotal for collagen production but also helps mend damaged skin and brightens the complexion. Flavonoids. These compounds have been shown to support skin health and may enhance collagen synthesis. Almonds. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the skin from UV radiation and aids in skin repair. Magnesium and zinc, minerals that play a role in the synthesis of collagen and other proteins. Chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, which can aid in moisture retention and possibly influence collagen production. Zinc. It's essential for maintaining the integrity of collagen and plays a role in preventing collagen breakdown. Homemade citrus dressing. Vitamin C. Additional vitamin C in the dressing further ensures that this salad is packed with this essential nutrient. Limonene and other citrus oils, present in the zest and oil of citrus fruits. These compounds may also support skin health and could have a role in collagen synthesis. The synergy between these ingredients creates a nutrient-dense meal that not only supports the skin's structure and function but also contributes to overall health, which in turn may reflect in the form of vibrant, youthful skin. This salad is a testament to how daily foods can be incredibly beneficial for our skin's health, supporting the body's natural collagen production with a tasty treat. Do you have your own health tips or experiences with foods like these? We'd love to hear your experiences. The wave of interest in collagen in the United States and worldwide reflects a growing commitment to health and wellness, coupled with an increasing desire for age-defying dietary supplements and skincare solutions. While collagen supplements, foods, and topical products continue to dominate the market with promises of enhanced skin elasticity, improved joint mobility, and overall vitality, the landscape is also expanding to accommodate plant-based alternatives and holistic health practices. For those considering collagen supplements or enhancing their diet with collagen-boosting foods, consulting with healthcare professionals and staying abreast with ongoing research remains crucial. Thanks for watching.